What's the meaning of BSE? BSE. BSE.
BSE. BSE. BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange, which is the oldest and largest stock exchange in India, located in Mumbai, formerly known as Bombay. It was established in 1875 and has played a significant role in the development of the Indian capital market. BSE offers trading in equities, derivatives, mutual funds, and debt instruments. It operates on a robust trading platform that ensures fair and transparent trading. The result of BSE is reflected in the fluctuation of the stock prices of the companies listed on it, which can be impacted by various economic and political factors affecting the Indian market.